Tofa, my feleni is a song said to have been written in 1889 after a naval disaster. At the time, the Germans, British, and Americans were interested in the Samoan Islands, and there was also a civil war going on. But on the 15th of March in 1889, there was a storm that destroyed and disabled warships in Apia Harbor. Samoans rescued the sailors who survived and helped them recover before sending them home. The song that was inspired, Tofa, my feleni, is a very popular song for farewells even today.